What if I told you that you're losing money every single day and you don't even notice it? But in just 30 days, you could fix it. You could save hundreds of dollars without changing your lifestyle completely. Most young people in the US are just trying to make it to the next paycheck. But the truth is, your money is quietly slipping away, one small expense at a time. But here's the good news. You can take control. And this video is your guide. And no, I'm not going to tell you to stop drinking coffee or sell your Xbox. Relax. So let's dive in it. Number 1, track every dollar. You can't save money until you know where it's going. So for the first 3 days, write down everything you spend, no matter how small. Use apps like Mint or just your Notes app. Look out for monthly subscriptions you forgot about, random online shopping, daily food delivery habits. You'll be shocked how much you spend on things that don't really matter. Now that you've tracked it, let's start keeping more of it. Number 2, do a 30-day no-spend challenge. Here's a fun challenge. Pick one thing you waste the most money on, and don't spend on it for 30 days. Could be no takeout, no Amazon orders, no new clothes. Just because it's 50% off doesn't mean you need it twice as bad. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar saved. You'll feel powerful, and your bank account will thank you. Cutting spending is great, but now let's take it up a notch and make saving automatic. Number 3, set up auto saving. Don't wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left. Instead, save first. Spend what's left. How? Set your bank to move $5 or $10 into savings automatically every day or week. Pro tip: use a high-yield savings account so your money earns more interest. But what if I told you you could save even more by changing just one phone call? Number 4, lower your monthly bills. Call your internet, phone, or streaming providers and ask for better rates. You'd be surprised how often they say yes, especially if you've been a customer for a while. Also, cancel anything you're not using: gym memberships, apps, or subscriptions. You don't need 4 different streaming apps to rewatch The Office. Pick one. Be strong. Saving $30 on a monthly bill might seem small, but over a year, that's $360. Now that you're spending less, what if you could earn more on the side? Number 5, start a mini side hustle. This part is exciting. In 30 days, you can start making money on the side. Try things like freelancing, selling handmade stuff, tutoring, delivering food or groceries. Even $15 a day can become $450 in a month. That's big. You're not just saving now, you're growing your money. That's how real wealth starts. But where should all this saved and earned money go? That's the secret to building real wealth. Number 6, give your savings a goal. Money with no purpose gets spent. So give every dollar a job: emergency fund, travel fund, debt payoff, investing for the future. When you know why you're saving, it's easier to stay on track. Saving without a goal is like going to the gym without a workout plan. You'll sweat, but you won't see results. Imagine 30 days from now. You've saved more than ever. You've built a new habit, and you've taken your first step toward real financial freedom. Now that you've saved money, it's time to grow it. Click the video on your screen. Top investment options for 2025. I'll walk you through exactly where your money can go next, so it starts working for you. Remember, this is your year to take control, and it all starts with one smart decision, like watching this next video.